if the number of accidents occurring on a highway each day is a Poisson random variable with parameter lambda equal to 3, then what is the probability that no accidents occur today? Which means they are saying that if you try to find out the number of accidents that will occur on a highway, let's say we denote it with a random variable capital X, then the probability that there will be I accidents on the highway is given by this distribution, Poisson distribution, which means it is given by e power minus 3 into 3 power minus I divided by I factorial, right? So this is the probability with which there will be I accidents on the main road. So how did I get this? In the formula of Poisson distribution, which is e power minus lambda into lambda power I factorial, lambda power I by I factorial, I have just written this, okay? So in place of lambda I substituted 3. Now they are asking that what is the probability that no accidents will occur today, which means what is the probability that number of accidents is equal to 0, which is equal to e power minus 3 into 3 power 0 divided by 0 factorial, which is e power minus 3, 1 by e cube. What about if the question is what is the probability that there will be exactly one accident today? So x equal to 1 equal to e power minus 3 into 3 power 1 by 1 factorial, which will be 3 by e cube, right? So what is the probability that, I'm just writing them, okay, just for your understanding, that the number of accidents will be at least 1. Then probability that number of accidents will be at least 1 is equal to probability that number of accidents on the highway is at least 1, which means p of x greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus probability that number of accidents are going to be 0, right? So which is equal to 1 minus 1 by e cube, right? So this is the probability with which there will be at least one accident. This is the probability with which there will be exactly 0 accidents, probability with which there will be exactly one accident, right? So that is how we can answer them. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries, for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. and these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.